For any government, there is no greater priority than the health of its nation's people. As important as trade policy is, health and well-being must take precedence. WTO members recognize this and have proven how seriously they take health issues by ratifying and putting into force an amendment to WTO rules which will facilitate access to essential medicines in low-income countries. Efforts to amend WTO's Trade and Intellectual Property Agreement were driven by public health considerations and by a desire to find the best way to use the rules of the global trading system to assist those in developing countries who are seriously ill. This is the first ever amendment to WTO agreements, and now that 2/3 of the members of WTO have ratified it, it will come into force. It has been a long time coming. The concerns held by developing countries were based on their need to ensure adequate flexibility to obtain affordable medicines. Protection of patents is important. It helps to foster creativity and innovation, but healthcare is paramount. In 2001, WTO members struck a deal which clarified the accords and provided governments in the developing world with greater clarity and certainty. But one more element was needed: how to guarantee that countries lacking the capacity to produce generic drugs could still procure them affordably. In 2003, WTO members agreed that if the importing country could not negotiate the acquisition of patented medicines at affordable prices, these medicines could be produced under license by drug makers in third countries. This was a major step, and I'm proud to say that African countries played a major role in bringing about this agreement. I was Kenya's ambassador to the WTO in those years and chaired several important WTO bodies, including the General Council. I saw what it took to gain agreement, and I've seen how well the agreement can work. It has taken some time to implement this agreement, but now that it's in place, developing country governments have an important tool for obtaining affordable medicines. I urge governments to incorporate these new rules into their health policies nationally and internationally so that the benefits of this amendment can be secured by governments and the people they represent.